Story on healthy food habit. Once upon a time, there was a town named Foodland. This land was full of tasty food. People of this town were too happy to have delicious food every day. In this town, there lived two friends named Sam and Tom. They were best of buddies, but their food habit was different. Tom used to eat healthy food like vegetable, fruit, milk, fish, and egg. And he was very strong, healthy, and active. He used to run around and play with his friends. He was very energetic as he loved healthy food. Tom used to say,
I love to eat fish, vegetables, and fruits. These are healthy food. They make me strong and healthy. But my best friend Sam loves to eat junk food. He is always eating.
on the other hand, Sam used to eat junk food like burger, pizza, french fries, chips, Coke, coffee, nuggets, and sausages. He was very fat and lazy. He could not run fast while playing, and he used to get really tired very easily. He used to say,
I love food. I can eat all the food of the town. I'm always hungry. I even dream of food. My best friend Tom is very thin. He eats healthy food.
in their school, there was a football tournament. Tom and Sam used to play in that team. Tom used to drag Sam and in the game, saying,
Come, Sam, let's play football. Remember? We have football match.
Sam used to answer,
Wait, I'm coming after having my food. Yum, yum. This is very yummy. Yum, 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 yum.
Sam's mother was very worried about Sam as he was getting fat day by day. She used to tell Sam,
Do not eat too much junk food, otherwise you will have stomachache.
Sam used to ignore his mom and say,
Mom, I cannot live without this food. Nothing will happen to me. Let me enjoy my food. Yum, 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 yum.
Day by day, Sam started growing fat and lazy. He felt sleepy and tired all the time. He stopped going to the football practice. Tom used to remind him,
Sam, our football match is knocking at the door, and you are not coming for the practice. If you do so, we will lose the game.
Sam used to reply,
Do not worry. I will be there for the match. Yum, 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 yum.
Few days before the tournament, Sam noticed one of his trousers got tight. He pulled and he pulled, but he could not pull it up. Angrily, he threw it away and he said,
It got small. I cannot wear it anymore.
even his t-shirts got tight. His mom had to buy new sets of clothes for him. The day before the tournament, his mom asked him not to have junk food, but he didn't listen. After having a huge dinner in the middle of night, he woke up and had chocolate and ice cream from the fridge, saying,
Mommy is not around. I can have as much food as I love. Yum, 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 yum.
In the morning, he woke up with a severe stomachache and he was cheered for him. He played very well and won the match. He got a trophy and he was very happy for the team. At the same time, he was upset as his friend could not attend the match. He missed his friend. Tom said,
If Sam had eaten less junk food, he could attend the tournament. I miss my friend a lot. We could get the trophy together. Eating vegetables, fish, eggs, milk, fruits is good for health. They protect us from different diseases. At the same time, exercise is important for our well-being too. Everyone should eat healthy food